收到啦。咩啊？攞多錢？
搞錯，佢帶住咁大把刀嘅。
明白。
情報話目標喺南邊過緊嚟啊。
嗯，清楚。OK， 各單位準備，同我睇實佢。
你捉個 Wei Shen 先好啊。
He's only.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，情況右邊
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢由後面上緊嚟啊！
揾人截住佢啦！
冇可能，我哋呢度太遠啦路。
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點？
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個啊你？
停手，咪喐！
Come, my friend. Just
Are you crazy? No, don't.
maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
所有伙計唔好俾佢走得啦！截住佢！
好傷害我啊 ！Fucking hell! Don't do it, man! Don't do it!
喺後面人，我亂嚟啊
Let's go! Let's go!
Come on! No, what's the nets? You see anyone? I think they're up the roof, crazy fuck! Hurry up! Oh shit! Stay with me! Come on, hurry up! Come on, come on! This, I hate this! Are you crazy? Keep moving! Keep going! You're not getting me! What's with these guys? Son of a bitch!
Get out！ 唔好喐！捉住佢！唔好俾佢走啦！捉住佢！走唔到㗎啦！呢個拉你，咪喐㗎！拉你！警察，咪喐！我哋而家要拘捕你。Come on, we can work something out, right？ 唔使諗啦，入到監倉裏面慢慢反省啦。而家唔係事必要你講，除非你自己想講。但係你所講嘅嘢可能會用紙同筆記低，即係成為呈堂證供。你明白？
Wei Shen? Man, this is going to be great.
Yeah, thank.
Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah. So Winston's a Red Claw now?
All this territory is Winston's. but Dog Eyes is pushing in.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog Eyes always was an asshole. Turns out, he's a greedy asshole, too. One thing, when we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
It's wild paranoia.
Sun On Yee had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real slow and painful. Hey, Jill May, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Kidding me? Yeah, all right. Come the fuck on. Come on.
That look nasty. You okay?
Here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant.
So you're the tough guy that's everyone's talking. Hey, you think you can fight?
You like that?
I bet you fall at the first punch.
How about that? That all you got?
Come on, cardboard. You think you're hot shit, huh? Let's see what happens when shit gets real.
You gonna back down? Come on, fight back. Why did you get out of here? Huh? You like that?
Hello, boys.
Shit.
Hey, 你搞乜撚嘢啊 ？Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦吓。
This'll be easy. No problem. You just have to be strong. That's what people respect. So you mentioned your sister back there.
Mimi? Yeah, she OD years ago now. After we moved to the States, she tried to kick that shit, but...
That sucks. She was, you know, really alive.
My mother thought maybe a new city, new country. The hooks weren't deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, once she started.
Oh, man. And it was dog eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking dog guys.
You gonna tell Winston?
No. You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss. When we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
Hey, you want phones? Hey, suits right here. Right
You
here.
want movies? You want music? You want games? I got everything, man! You! Hey, man! Hey, come take a look! Joey Kwan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem. Need anything? Just come ask.